Good day, my dear viewers. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, teacher in profession whose passion is to do video tutorial. Today, my topic is still how to use Microsoft Excel, this time part 2, and I will focus on how to insert and delete cells, and also I will teach you how to adjust the size of the cells. Okay, to start our tutorial, let us open a table in Microsoft Excel. So I have here a table. As you can see, we have here several vacant cells, and the size also of our cells are not fitted to the numbers. We need to change that later. So before I teach you how to delete or insert column or even rows, I just want you to learn that these are called columns. And columns are composed of different cells. So let's see, for example, this column A. Column A composed of different cells. So these are cells. And this one here are called rows. And rows also are consist of several cells. These are the several cells in a row. Okay, let us say we wanted to remove the rows down here. This one. You can highlight this way, or you can just use the single cell. Let us first use a single cell to delete. So just highlight all the cells that are empty, or you can just leave one empty space or cell. Then, okay, there, okay, there. Then just go to delete and delete sheet rows. Okay, then all of the rows will be deleted. Then another style is you can also use all this one here. You can have there and then delete. Just click delete, delete sheet rows, and then all will be deleted. Or another way, you can just click or you can just click cell. Then the same as what we did kanina, you just highlight all the cells that you wanted to remove, then click shift and arrow down. Okay, there you have it, and then click delete, and you can click delete cells, and this will come out. What you will do is just to click enter row so that the row will be deleted, not only the cells but the entire row. Then click OK. Okay, you can do whatever style you want. Okay, then let us now have the insertion of row or column. Let's say we wanted to insert a row here. Automatic it will be on the topmost if you wanted to insert a row or a cell. So if you will click here, the cell will be placed here. And since we wanted it on the topmost, we will click this big cell. Then just click insert and then insert sheet rows. Then you have it. Then you can already add title to your table. And then if you wanted it to be at the middle of the column, let's see here, I wanted to insert an additional column here because you need to add written work, written output. So just click anywhere in this column, just click there and then click insert, then insert sheet column. And then you can have it there. So take note that it will be in the left part. So if that was the case, you can click the total so that it will be number 11. Let us do it again. So click this one, then insert sheet column. Okay, there you have it. And then you can make this as your written work number 11. Okay, then next thing to do is to resize the width of this column because it's very much uh, large enough for the numbering. So you can have also techniques in resizing. One technique is just place your cursor at the topmost here and make sure that it looks like that one, the black cross, and then left click and then just drag it to the left. There you have it. You can do the same to this, but then it's very much time consuming, so it's better to resize it in the same manner, and we make sure that we have the same sizes. So what are we going to do is to highlight all the columns or cells that you wanted to resize. So let's say this one here up to the total. So what I'm going to do is just to click format and click column width. Just click it there and then you are asked the size of the column. Just click any number at the C4, then click OK, then we resize the column. You can do the same here. Okay, you can also highlight, click shift and arrow right this time up to total and then format, column width, and change that to 4. Then click OK and we resize the column. If you wanted to resize the row, you can also do the same. Let us say it's only one column, one row that you wanted to change. You just click. You can also place your cursor at this point here. Just click left click and drag. Okay, you can have it just like that. And if you wanted it also, if there are as many cells that you wanted to change in size, let's say that one, just highlight the cells or the row that you wanted to resize, then just go to format, then row height, then you can change, let us say 20, and then we resize the height of the row. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please, if you like my video, please do not hesitate to click the like button and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and watch my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my next video.